Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Right now we'll take a look at the gold market. The gold market, as you know, and as you can see on Friday, we've got really a tremendous upward action due to the really poor non-farm payrolls release that has really put into question the further rate hiking, not just in the June but in the July. As the Fed fund rate futures shows, the probability of the rate increase in the June has dropped to the 6%. In the July is probably below 30%. I don't know precise numbers, but the odds have dropped significantly on the perspective of the rate hiking. Of course, we can't predict totally what Fed will do. It will be really a tremendous result if Fed anyway will raise the rate. That will be just double bearish impact on the market, and we can't exclude it totally. But if we'll take a look reasonably on overall situation, maybe the rate hiking will be postponed, and we could get some slightly minor continuation to the upside to this current rally. In general, guys, if you read our analysis, follow our gold analysis, you should know that we have talked in the previous research on this upward action. And on Friday, when we saw a bit not quite normal behavior of the market, recall what we said on Friday in our daily video. Initially, we expected to get the butterfly buy, but as market has starting to show a bit irrational behavior, we said probably we will not get it, and the chance of the upside butterfly is really greater than we'll get the downward continuation. We even talk about the 1240, 1245 levels in our weekly research, but of course nobody could suggest that this will happen so fast. So we mostly have counted on some gradual retracements. The market probably will start retracement out from some solid support area. So gradually will reach the 1245 area, and then probably will start to form leg down in the downward continuation. But this has happened a bit differently. So you can see market has shown really fast rally, just explosive action to the upside. And almost has hit the 1250 area. What we could do in the current circumstances. The major concern, guys, right now is understanding of the nature of this rally. So we know that this is due to non-farm payrolls release, but how durable will be this rally? So what real levels they could reach? Weekly chart shows that this rally could reach as far as 1280 area or 1275 to keep the shape of the possible head and shoulders pattern on the daily chart. Some other patterns that we have discussed in our weekly research hint on some even higher actions. Market could form another top before starting to reverse down gradually. This also could happen. And to understand the nature of this rally that we have right now, how strong it will be, how stable it will be, it needs time. So we need to see this market come down a bit, and let's see the reaction, what really will happen. And since we need some time, we probably will have to focus on some tactical issues by far. And one of these issues we offered to your attention today. Briefly, we have talked about it, but as it was not in place yet, we do not pay much attention to this. But right now, this pattern is almost in place. So this pattern calls the Napoli bread and butter sell pattern. So as you can see, recent move down on the daily chart, in fact, is the sufficient thrust down for the Napoli directional pattern. So take a look: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 candles to the downside. Bread and butter trade suggests reaching of the significant fib level within the 3 closes above the 3x3. So you can see on Friday was the first close. For example, if market on Monday will continue slightly high and will reach the 1250 area, that will be second close. And here we will be watching for, we will drop our time frame to the hourly chart, and we will be watching for sell signals there. Yes, guys, don't be surprised. It's maybe madness to trying to sell against this rally, But this pattern works on the previous momentum. So as momentum down was developed within the almost 3 weeks, it's still in place. And when the first effect of the bad numbers will start to fade, this momentum will push market slightly lower. This could be some retracement. That's the target of the bread and butter. Not some big action, not some big swings on the market, but just retracement of the recent action. That's the core of this pattern. It's using of the previous momentum to trade on this retracement. So yes, this bread and butter looks a bit extremely, because we usually have the habit that bread and butter usually starts from the 38% retracement or maybe 50%. Usually the market shows the gradual closing above the 3x3, 3 sessions. This market reaches the minor closest level. But here we have thrust, very fast action, and reaching of the last major level, 618. But we will see whether this pattern will work or not. If, of course, market will pass through it significantly, of course, we will not take the short position. If we will not get the reversal patterns on the hourly chart around 1250, we will not take the short position. So we will do this only if we will see reversal patterns around 1250. And in this case, we probably could try to do this. So the target of this pattern will be 618 support of the whole upper direction of the bread and butter. So this will be not small move. It's approximately 12. Not now, maybe somewhere around 12.25 probably. Somewhere in this area. So on what we have on the hourly chart. On the hourly chart, we can't use any extensions here because market already has exceeded all of them by this rally. That's why we will use an extensions of this most recent swing down. You could call it as the butterfly if you want. It will not change the idea. So you can see market has hit the first 127 extension, but no patience has been formed here. The next extension stands on 1255 and it corresponds to the daily fib level. It approximately stands in the same area. So it means that market could continue slightly higher, hit the fib level, and reach this extension of this, let's call it butterfly. This butterfly simultaneously will become the reversal pattern that could trigger retracement. As a result, we will get two major levels, support levels. First one will be around weekly pivot point, it's 1230, because these levels also will move slightly higher as market will continue to move higher. So probably the confluence support will appear around weekly pivot point. And next will be around 1220, 1225, the major fib support, 618 fib support. That will be precisely the target of the bread and butter if it will happen. So that's what we'll be watching for in the beginning of the week. Unfortunately, guys, or maybe fortunately, but we can't offer you something else here since this rally overruled previous patterns that were forming here. And it's just becomes the major event on this market. That's why, despite whether we would like to do this or we do not want to do this, but we will have to work with this recent jump and trying to use it somehow for the trading. The first chance to do this and the pattern that we could try to catch, we could try to get, is the bread and butter sell. Now the major question whether it will be appear or not. Just to remind you what we would like to get at the first, waiting for the resistance. Second, drop our time frame to the hourly chart, waiting for this in this area somewhere in 1250 reversal pattern. If we will get it, we could try to take the short position. This target will be 618 support of the whole action to the upside. If market will break through this area, we will not take the short position. If market will not form any reversal patterns here, we will not take the short position. So that's relatively simple. Let's see how it will turn.